Welcome to Pollock'S Plastering. The customer today wanted these bulges taking out the wall. This is where the backing plaster has delaminated from the wall. You can see here they're a bit rough looking and not very pretty, so we're going to sort that out. We have to be careful about how much we hack off because we don't want it to travel down the back of the radiator, because that would be a bit of a nightmare. So we were quite stealthy about what we took out. We also had a hairline crack across the full length of the ceiling. We've put some screws to support the plasterboard back onto the joist, and this has occurred because the previous plasterer hadn't used scrim tape on that join, and then we've given this a coat with SPR ready for blending in. There's the scrim tape that we've put on, as you can see. This is the parts of the wall hacked off stealthily because we didn't want to take off too much, and there's what I showed you previously. This is with the bonding coat in and the first coat of multi-finish on the ceiling. That's Dave taking a break, helping me out today. This is me now on the second coat of multi on that hairline crack. Now you think it's only a little hairline crack, but it requires something as quite a significant work to really actually solve that problem. It's never quite as simple as just filling it. So I'm blending the plaster into the ceiling to get a perfect blend without any ridges whatsoever, and this requires quite a bit of skill, and this is all the way down the length of the ceiling, so it's a fair amount of work, believe it or not. Again, the patch is now on the wall. I'm wetting down the edges. You have to apply a lot of water to thin out the plaster at those joins to avoid any ridges, and then it requires several going over with the trowel just to blend it all in. Here we are, finished job, pretty much perfect, ready for painting now. There's the ceiling joint, so there's no ridges on that. Crack won't come back on this one, so pretty happy with this job, and there we have it. Thanks for watching.